I think NCYC serves as a space for faith formation in that it can touch a person's life in whatever point that that person is in. I was here in 2002. I came as a high schooler, and just knowing how much it helped me spur the love of the church in myself, and then allowed me to realize I can be part of something greater. And now here I am as a sister.
This opens up so many new perspectives of other Catholics, enjoying the same thing that you do. They all want to get closer with God. They want to see it out of the same lens. There's breakout sessions where you learn more about your faith, how to pray. I think that's amazing. And that's another thing that really drew me to be here today.
One of the reminders that I've been giving, and the one station I've been doing, is what do you look at when you're at adoration? Okay, you look at Jesus. What does Jesus look at? He looks at you. And so he sees you fully, and he knows you, and he loves you. I'm just hoping that they're taking that away, and then that will help bring them that fire to be able to evangelize.
When I see the young people here really engaging from different cultures, all walks of life, and just embracing the love and mercy of God, you feed off that energy. They're all being renewed and energized through an event like this. It reminds me of how important being a catechist, being a deacon, is passing on the faith to the next generations.
This has been a life-changing experience for me. Masses, the adoration, everything I saw here truly showed me that the Catholic faith is just so beautiful and it's so worth being part of. You're a family. You're one family in Christ, and this is truly such a special program. I'm going to try to get as many people as I can to come back.